To replace the spring and pusher for the 9615A, you first need to remove the airline hose and relieve the pressure. Put on safety glasses to protect against projectiles. And make sure your tool is not loaded. Remove the Allen screw from the lock that prevents the track from sliding out. Slide the track out completely. Lift slightly at the end to get the track out. Now, remove the slider from the track. Next, guide the spring under the guide wheel. Hold the spring with tension. Now, using a paper clip or something similar, poke through the hole at the end of the spring so you can drag the spring out. Attach that spring end to the hook attached to the sliding part of the track. Place the sliding piece back on the track carefully. Replace the track and screw the Allens back into the lock. And you're done.